Welcome to MTI-TV. I'm Sam, and today we're going to talk about how to quickly waterproof over occupied interior and exterior locations with our Planiseal CR1 waterproofing membrane. Planiseal CR1 is a cold fluid applied, single component, fast curing, moisture curing primary waterproof membrane, also called a roofing membrane. It provides a noticeable contrast to the hot applied peel and stick waterproofing membranes commonly found on the market. First, there's no tar. You do not have to haul around heated kettles of tar or mop buckets full of the burning hot tar onto the decks. Planiseal CR1 is a single component formula, which means that there's no mixing required. And 100% solids formula means that once it is cured, the membrane will not shrink. It is VOC compliant in virtually all municipalities. It is very low in odor, so it is well suited for use in and around occupied spaces. Thanks to our advanced proprietary technology, the single-grade membrane can be used in horizontal as well as vertical applications, which maximizes its versatility. Planiseal CR1 is easier to apply than a peel and stick membrane commonly found on the market. It can be applied by roller, brush, trowel, or even squeegee. And it's also easier to bond to than peel and stick membranes. So, for more information, give us a call at 1-888-365-0614 or drop by our website at www.mapei.com. This is Sam for MTI-TV. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And to make sure you don't miss the next episode, click that bell icon down below. If you enjoyed watching this MTI-TV episode, check out some of the past MTI-TV videos coming up at the end of this video. Thanks again for watching this edition of MTI-TV.